1 minute and 30 seconds of CPR remain.
That's bok choy. We've got cilantro if you want it.
My name is Meg Counterman. I teach the Career Connections class at the 8th grade center. We use the Patterson Labs, and I'm really excited about this opportunity that has been brought to Oklahoma. Union is the first to implement this wonderful opportunity for students to explore careers in different career clusters. We run 10 different days for every module, so this gives them an opportunity to experience careers a little bit deeper than you might do in a 1 or 2 day assignment. One of the things the students tell me is they are never bored.
If that one broke, then the other 3 long ones.
We all know that kids learn best when they can learn hands-on. So it's been just wonderful to be able to let kids think, create, and just immerse themselves in some of the different labs that we have. I have had students who have learned how to fix things in their own homes.
It is main maintenance, so basically you have to fix the sink, take it out, repair everything. So when I told my mom that I know how to fix a sink, at first she didn't think I could do it. I told her in the car, I was like, I got an A for fixing a sink in class today. And then she was like, oh, you should fix the one in the bathroom. So I fixed it. She was really excited because she didn't have to spend $300, and it works better than it did before.
Now the herbs you want to use just a very little bit of.
Each student gets to get their feet wet and see, if they're interested in a career, and, even better, what they're not interested in. We want to make those connections so that when they go and enter high school, that they can follow the pathways and some of the tremendous opportunities that are there, and that they already have an idea of what they want to do. We are preparing students for careers that don't even exist yet. They have to be able to learn how to do teamwork. They have to be able to critically think, and they have to be able to pivot so that they are going to be ready for whatever our market and our careers will be when they graduate. It opened their minds so much to, the possibility of, if you want to learn, then anything is possible. And I think that's been one of the greatest takeaways.